Hello, I have another question for you. 10 minus 7 times 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 times 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So our answer will be 9, but it is not correct method. Now, I will solve this question by using order of operation. So we have to move from left to right, remember that, and we have to multiply first. So 10 minus 7 times, first of all, small bracket, our parentheses should be sort. So parentheses or small brackets have 10 minus 7, so 10 minus 7 will be equal to 3. Okay, the first step we have solved, which is parentheses. Now, when subtraction and multiplication are in the question, we have to prefer multiplication. So 10 minus 7 times 3 will be equal to 21. Here is a simplification of 10 minus 21, which will be equal to minus 11. So minus 11 will be correct answer. Thank you for watching my video.